What's the meaning of cough medicine? Cough medicine. Cough medicine.
Cough medicine. Cough medicine. Cough medicine refers to a type of medication that is used to alleviate coughing. It typically contains active ingredients such as dextromethorphan or codeine, which work to suppress the cough reflex and relieve associated symptoms such as throat irritation and congestion. Some types of cough medicine may also contain additional ingredients such as antihistamines or decongestants, which can help to further reduce coughing and other cold and flu-related symptoms. The specific effects and efficacy of cough medicine can vary depending on the individual product and the underlying cause of the cough.